it's a complete mess. Anyhow, scrub off this way and wash your face. I add it all over my floor, so it's good to do this in your bathroom. Actually, I used to do like that, but to shoot I did it here and I didn't think about it. I didn't keep any newspaper or didn't keep any cloth downstairs, I mean down, so it was a complete mess. I have to clean it. I cleaned it, yes. So only this much you can have as a leftover in your face. So have it like this at least for 5 or 10 minutes, because we have done something. Why to wash it out soon? So after this you can wash your face, and the smell is awesome. So beautiful orange smell, perfect smell I could get. So the aroma is nice, but the effect I will show you afterwards. The effect is also perfect because I have used it often. So you can see that in my face after me washing this off. So this is it. I have preserved it in such a way, so I will use it whenever needed for me. So it's more like a scrub, and but it's not going to harsh your skin. And yes, you can use your orange peel off skins like this. So that's it, and preserve it in any container of yours, and you can use it often. So that's it. I washed my face, so you can find me wet. So there is a very good after effect for this. You can find that in my face. Actually, I add some itchiness over my eyelids. I don't know why I got it. Now after washing with this, the itchiness have reduced. So usually when I use this, I mostly don't have any itchiness or anything, so I haven't been rectified out of it. But today I add some itching, and this also rectifies that. I don't know why I got that itching and how it rectified also. I'm not aware. And so the orange smell will fill your room, and now it's very nice for me. The fragrance is very nice, and also to not miss the fragrance, I have used Soulflower orange and carrot soap to wash my face. So while using this, I wanted the natural orange tint and smell to be with me, so I have used that. And you can use whichever cleanser you need, or if you can also use this Soulflower carrot orange soap. It's very nice, and actually Soulflower is a natural ingredient filled products they are doing, and now they are offering more and more discount, as you know, because of the condition or not, what I don't know, but the products are worthy, but they are providing it in more discount now. And also for our audience, you can buy it with a coupon code of ours, so I will mention it in description. You can also, the coupon code is nothing but the updated sheet. You can give that and you can get more discount and buy that. If you want, you can look at their products. They have many products with them, and they also have micellar water, charcoal micellar water, which is very famous, and they have more essential oils too. You can check it out, and don't forget to buy the carrot and orange carrot soap from Soulflower. It's too good. So that is it. This is my after effect. So try it out and give your experience in comments. Do like, share and subscribe to us, and you can ask for whatever videos you want in our comment too. Bye. See you in another video.